Hi guys, welcome to Shields Cooking. Another day and another Friandise special. Just like yesterday, we're going to work with chocolate again, but today we're going to make a beautiful hibiscus lollipop. I hope you guys enjoyed the series so far. Please let me know in the comments what you think and subscribe if you don't want to miss any other videos. So, let's begin. First, the hibiscus filling. Start by pouring 50 grams of hibiscus syrup in a saucepan and also add 120 grams of cream. Then bring this to a boil on a medium heat. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and add 300 grams of dark chocolate. Emulsify this with a hand blender. Now transfer it into a piping bag and fill your desired mold with the filling. The one I'm using is from Mold Brothers. Find a link in the description of this video. Then put a lolly stick in every bowl and gently transfer them into the freezer. Let them set for a couple of hours. After that, transfer some white chocolate in a bowl and melt it. Now add some red fat soluble coloring powder and mix it well. Then take a bigger amount of white chocolate and melt it till it's 35 degrees Celsius. Tap the bottom a couple of times to remove all the air bubbles. Now take the red colored white chocolate and pipe it in long lines on top. Then remove the lollipops from the mold. After that, gently press it in the white chocolate and while spinning, take it out. Let them set upside down to create a nice form. Repeat this process with all the lollipops and pipe some more red chocolate on top once all is used. To let the lollipop set upside down, I simply drilled some holes in a wooden plank, but you can also stick them in some styrofoam or cardboard. Once set, keep them in your fridge for later. Okay guys, that's it for today. I am really pleased with the result. The lollipops look amazing. You can also add another color on the chocolate. I did it once before and that gives it a whole nother dimension as well. But for me, I wanted to keep it simple because there's so much going on. So I just did the one color and the white chocolate. But if you present these on its own, then it's maybe nice to add another color or maybe put something else on top. But I think they already look pretty spectacular. So let's just dig in. Yes. That's so delicious. The hibiscus, it's amazing. I love hibiscus. And in combination with the chocolate, that's just a combination made in heaven. So nothing bad or nothing bad to say about this. It's just really nice. So I hope you guys make it as well. Let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing pastry videos, but also other cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!